We went to Pueblo, Colorado to visit Scott Hitchcock at Signs by Scott. Over the course of 30 plus years, this company has evolved from a small graphics shop to a full-service sign company with 3 floors of production, a retail store, and a sales office. Scott bought a van ladder about a year and a half ago. We stopped by to let him try out our new jib attachment. While Scott drove, I turned on the microphone. I'll show you some footage of the new accessory while Scott tells a story.
And I've been contracting out a lot of our installations or renting lifts that sometimes worked and sometimes not so much. And so we'd send guys out on a 2-hour job, and 8 hours later they were still messing with an electric lift that couldn't get up to where they needed to be. So I got frustrated and decided I needed to buy a truck finally so that we could eliminate the rental expense but have something dependable that we could do. And I was looking at a different company at the time, and I was almost to pull the trigger on this truck when I got an email from Van Ladder. And I said, I kind of remember that name from a show. Maybe I'll look into it. And I gave you a call and started going over the benefits of it, looked at the website and saw how other people were using the truck, and I said, boy, I don't really need a really big truck, but I need something that's going to be able to reach what we need. Now, our town, probably 80% of the signs are 45 foot or under, so the 45 foot reach was really appealing. The price was really appealing, and the weight of the vehicle was very appealing. So we asked to get a demo. Dave was gracious enough to let us use it in the morning to put some other signs up on a building. We made some 9-foot tall ACM letters and attached them to one of the buildings out there, and said, now here's the challenge. If we can put these aluminum signs on the top of that Jumbotron, I'll buy the truck. My guy had to stand on his tiptoes to reach the top screws, but by golly, we reached it. So that was my convincing that we needed this truck to help our business and to take that next step forward, and I have not regretted a minute of it.
And so how has it made your life easier?
Not having to worry about rental equipment, working or not working or being available on the days that we had it. Our weather changes so rapidly here, we have to change our installation schedules on the fly. And so having the truck available 24/7 when we need it was a big benefit. It's opened us up to a lot more of the maintenance that I didn't expect we were going to do. I was hesitant about financing that much money, and so I ran it through the numbers and saw how much work we had to sell to be able to pay for the truck. Financed it for 5 years, and almost a year to the day I paid it off. So to me, that's a good return on the investment. I have a truck that's paid for, that's making money for my company now. And the demand has really changed since we got the truck. It has really increased for the product. And I got some great people working for me, and that makes it all a whole lot better. Now that the truck's paid for, we're selling business like crazy. I've been able to give some pretty substantial bonuses to all my employees in the last year, which keeps them happy, and I love to do it.
One of those valuable employees is Scott's installer, Gary.
You know, I really can't see myself doing anything else. It's cool. I really do enjoy this job, and you know, this opportunity has been. I'm very grateful for this opportunity that I have, and Scott's definitely made it all happen. Van ladder, it's an amazing piece of equipment. It makes my job very easy, pretty enjoyable. Definitely feel very safe when I'm using it.
What did you think about the jib attachment?
I think it was very good for what the job that we needed to do today. You know, we had no problems whatsoever. Everything was just nice, smooth, and easy with it. And, you know, there's definitely some jobs in the past that we could have used something like that on. So now from here on in the future, you know, we've got a really good idea how to use it. And I think this will definitely continue to make things more efficient for us in the future.
That's what we're all about at Van Ladder. Making things more efficient, easier, safer. Are you ready to simplify your sign work?